Welcome to an exploration of a stunning modern tropical outdoor kitchen dining area. This design is perfect for those who want to blend natural beauty with contemporary elegance. Let's dive into the key features that make this space a true oasis. 1. Brick concrete foundation. The base of this outdoor kitchen is crafted from sturdy brick concrete, offering both durability and a rustic charm. The brick provides a warm, earthy tone that complements the surrounding greenery. It's the perfect foundation for a tropical setting, blending seamlessly with the natural environment while providing a solid structure for your cooking and dining needs. 2. Stone accents. Stone accents are strategically placed throughout the space to add texture and visual interest. Whether it's a stone-clad cooking island, a backsplash, or decorative stone columns, these elements bring a touch of nature's raw beauty into the design. The stones, with their varying shades and textures, create a harmonious contrast with the smooth surfaces of the concrete, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. 3. Courtyard harmony. The outdoor kitchen is designed to be in perfect harmony with the surrounding courtyard. The space is open and airy, allowing for a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. Lush tropical plants surround the area, adding vibrant greenery that softens the hard edges of the brick and stone. The courtyard setting creates a tranquil atmosphere, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet meal with family. 4. Tropical influence. The tropical influence is evident in every detail, from the selection of materials to the layout of the space. The design embraces natural ventilation, with open sides that allow the breeze to flow through, keeping the area cool and comfortable. The use of natural materials like wood and bamboo for furniture and decor further enhances the tropical vibe, creating a relaxed and inviting ambience. 5. Functional yet stylish. This outdoor kitchen is not just about aesthetics, it's also highly functional. The layout is designed for easy movement between cooking and dining areas, with ample counter space, storage, and state-of-the-art appliances. The dining area is positioned to take advantage of the best views, ensuring every meal is enjoyed in a picturesque setting. Outdoor kitchen dining area with brick concrete and stone. Creating an outdoor kitchen dining area with brick concrete and stone elements is an excellent way to combine the beauty of natural materials with the functionality of modern design. Let's explore how these materials can transform your outdoor space into a welcoming and stylish environment. 1. Brick concrete foundation. Brick concrete serves as the backbone of this outdoor kitchen. It's a material known for its durability and timeless appeal. The use of brick concrete in the flooring, countertops, and structural elements provides a strong, rustic foundation that can withstand the elements while adding a warm, earthy tone to the space. The brick pattern also brings a textured look, enhancing the overall aesthetic and creating a cohesive design. 2. Stone accents. Stone accents are a key feature in this outdoor kitchen dining area, adding both visual interest and a touch of natural beauty. Stone can be used in various ways, such as cladding for walls, as a backsplash, or in the construction of an outdoor fireplace or grill surround. The variety of textures and colors in the stone adds depth and character, complementing the brick concrete and creating a harmonious balance between the two materials. 3. Integration with nature. The combination of brick concrete and stone naturally blends with the outdoor environment. These materials, with their organic origins and rugged textures, echo the natural landscape, making the kitchen feel like an extension of the outdoors. Incorporating plants, wooden furniture, and other natural elements can further enhance this connection, creating a space that feels both grounded and inviting. 4. Functional design. An outdoor kitchen dining area with brick concrete and stone is not just about aesthetics. It's also highly functional. The materials are chosen for their ability to withstand outdoor conditions, including heat, moisture, and UV exposure. The layout can be designed to include ample counter space, built-in grills, and storage, all while maintaining a sleek and cohesive look. The stone and brick also provide a natural heat resistance, making them ideal for areas near the grill or oven. 5. Versatile style. Whether your style leans towards modern, rustic, or somewhere in between, brick, concrete, and stone can be adapted to suit your taste. The combination of these materials can be paired with sleek stainless steel appliances for a contemporary look or with vintage fixtures for a more traditional feel. The versatility of brick and stone allows for endless customization, ensuring that your outdoor kitchen dining area reflects your personal style. 6. Inviting atmosphere. The natural warmth of brick and stone creates an inviting atmosphere, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying family meals outdoors. The rich textures and earthy colors make the space feel cozy and intimate, while the durability of the materials ensures that it will remain a beloved part of your home for years to come. An outdoor kitchen dining area with brick, concrete, and stone is a beautiful and practical choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor living space. The combination of these materials offers a perfect blend of strength, style, and connection to nature, creating a space that is both functional and visually stunning. A modern tropical outdoor kitchen dining area with brick, concrete, stone accents, and courtyard harmony is the perfect blend of style and functionality. It's a space where you can cook, dine, and relax while being surrounded by the beauty of nature. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet evening, this design offers a serene and sophisticated retreat.